Hi everyone, we are at the Drury Inn and Suites in Colorado Springs, Colorado. So I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. We just walked in the front. We've got this nice little hallway. I'll turn around in a minute so you can kind of see how big it actually is. But I'm gonna walk in, and then let me turn around real quick. So you can see it's actually like a really long hallway for like the entrance of a hotel room, which is nice. Here you have where you can set your luggage. And then over here we've got a nice chair with a side table and a lamp. So a nice little reading area. And they also have plugs right next to the chair, which is great in case you're doing work on your laptop or whatever, stuff like that. I'm gonna swing back around this way. We're gonna go into the bathroom. And then right here we've got our sink. We've got the towels, all the stuff like that. There is room down here so you can put whatever cosmetics or supplies that you need to use in the restroom if you brought your own shampoo, conditioner, stuff like that. Then you come this way and here is the shower. They have a handlebar. It's a shower tub, curtain, very nice. And let's see if we go over here. They have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash that you can use. So that's really nice in case you forgot yours. Then we're gonna come back this way real quick. Up here we have the toilet. We've got lots of room to hang towels, which is really nice. And there's more room to hold your towels, which is fantastic. We're gonna go back out this way. Back out, here's the hallway again, and all of this stuff. Then if you go over here to the left, there's a mirror on the other side, but on this side, it opens up to a closet. They've got plenty of hangers. They have an iron and an ironing board for your convenience. There's lots of room to hang things like if you have a dress or something like that, lots of room. And then there's some space on top where you can set something. So that's some nice extra space. I'm gonna go around this way. They have got this lamp right here, and then if you look down this way, I'm gonna back up just a little bit so you can see they've got this desk with a nice wheelie chair, and then in the front, I'm gonna scoot a little bit so you can see. They have lots of plugs once again, which is great if you're working and you need somewhere to plug in. I've got a waste bin, and I've got a dresser with lots and lots and lots of drawers, which is fantastic. And then you've got your TV, your remote, your ice bucket, coffee station, all the normal things in a hotel. I'm gonna come down a little further and you've got this ottoman where you can set stuff, you could sit wherever. They've got nice artwork in here. Then we've got our big curtains. I'll back up so you can kind of see how big they're. Very big. And then we've got 2 queen size beds. So I will come this way so you can kind of see. We've got 2 queen size beds. And then in the middle of them, we've got some lights, some more outlets. We've got an alarm clock with more outlets. And you've got a drawer right here. And then more space that you could put things. And yeah, so that is the room tour of the Drury Inn and Suites in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.